Social media marketing, or SMM, is a form of internet marketing that implements various social media networks in order to achieve marketing communication and branding goals. Social media marketing primarily covers activities involving social sharing of content, videos, and images for marketing purposes, as well as paid social media advertising. What are social networks used for in business? Small businesses are using social networks exceedingly. There are so many ways to use social networking in a business environment, and so many benefits of doing so. Inexpensive marketing. One of the best reasons for using social networks as a small business owner is the increased attention and marketing it provides to the business with little to no cost. By using social networking online, there are very few overhead or advertising costs, outside of the cost of a website. Banner and text ad advertising. Some businesses are using social networks for low-cost banner ads because social networks are highly effective websites that attract millions of visitors daily, providing the business with excellent exposure. Customer Relation Management Tool. Social networking websites and related tools allow management to speak with, ask questions, answer questions and overall interact with their customers as never before. Now, a small business online can personally connect with their customers. Global exposure. A television ad or similar marketing method on an international scale would cost millions of dollars, but the same can be accomplished online for next to nothing. Also, because these tools allow businesses to interact with people worldwide, they are highly effective at achieving global response. Online meeting places. Social networks work well as online meeting places for industry experts to meet and discuss various aspects of their business. It also allows for various industries and niches to explore other professionals that could aid them in growing their business. For example, a remodeling business can network with a window wholesaler. What they do well. When considering, what are social networks used for, keep in mind that they can be in use for many things, good and bad. Many of the aforementioned ways that they can be used are beneficial to companies. They can also do much more. They can improve the customer images of the business. They can help a business to get feedback on new products and services. They can help connect friends, family, and long-lost college friends. Social networks allow for idea sharing and the creating dialogue. Social networking allows people to network with others in order to find jobs. Online social networks are beneficial in many ways. They remove many of the complexities of the offline world. In addition, they are often a very fun pastime. Before you begin creating social media marketing campaigns, consider your business's goals. Starting a social media marketing campaign without a social strategy in mind is like wandering through a forest without a map. You'll only end up lost. Create a social media marketing plan and brainstorm about your goals. What are you hoping to achieve through social media marketing? Who is your target audience? Where would your target audience hang out and how would they use social media? What message do you want to send to your audience with social media marketing? Logo and business cards. Logos are a critical aspect of business marketing. Logo is recognizable and distinctive graphic design, stylized name, unique symbol, or other device for identifying an organization. It is affixed, included, or printed on all advertising, buildings, communications, literature, products, stationery, and vehicles. Not to be confused with a brand, which identifies a product or family of products. Also called logotype. Business cards are cards bearing business information about a company or individual. They are shared during formal introductions as a convenience and a memory aid. A business card typically includes the giver's name, company, or business affiliation, usually with a logo, and contact information such as street addresses, telephone numbers, fax number, email addresses, and website. Business cards may include social media addresses such as Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Traditionally, many cards were simple black text on white stock. Today, a professional business card will sometimes include one or more aspects of striking visual design. Facebook advertising. Facebook advertising allows businesses to promote custom ads or content targeting a specific audience, with costs varying based on the reach and engagement the ad receives. Facebook ads can appear in your target audience's newsfeed or right column of Facebook. Before you begin, remember these 3 Facebook advertising best practices. Always determine your objectives before you start. Be specific on your audience targeting. Rotate your ads regularly. With these 7 steps, you'll be able to define your objective, target an audience, set a budget, and place your ad. 1. Create a Facebook business page. When creating a Facebook page, an important step is determining the category of the page. Choose an appropriate category that best describes the nature of your business, and this will help people find your page. 2. Create goals for your Facebook ads. When creating a strategy for your Facebook ads, make sure your goals are SMART goals: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Creating SMART goals for your Facebook ads will help you achieve a better return on investment. 3. Choose an objective for your campaign. Now that you have created your Facebook page and have goals for your ads, you can now go into the Facebook Ads Manager and choose an objective for your ad. If your goal is to acquire registrants for an upcoming event, the Facebook ad objective you would choose is to raise attendance at your event. Or if you want to drive people to your blog, then you would choose the objective, send people to your website. 4. Choose your target audience and ad spend. You can target ads based on location, age, gender, language, interests, and behavior. After you're done choosing your target audience, you can then choose how much you want to spend on your ad. The ad budget you set is the maximum amount you want to spend. If you choose to have a daily budget, the amount you enter will be the maximum amount you'll spend each day. If you do a lifetime budget, the amount you enter is the maximum you'll spend during the lifetime of your ad. 5. Choose how you want your ad to look. The actual creation of the ad is the fun part of advertising on Facebook. Choose your images, headline, body text, as well as placement of the actual ad. You can have up to 5 images and the headline text can only be 25 characters. 6. Place your order. Once you're ready for your ad to be reviewed, click on the green button that says Place Order, located on the bottom right-hand corner. You'll receive an email from Facebook once your ad has been reviewed and approved. 7. Create a Facebook ads report. Now that you have created your Facebook ads, it's important that you report on the successes and failures of your endeavors. Components of successful Facebook ads. Its visual content is not only treated more favorably in the Facebook algorithm, but it's also more likely to be shared and remembered than written content. No matter what type of ad you create, your image needs to be visually appealing. It's relevant. Relevance is critical for success when using Facebook advertising. If you're showing ads that aren't relevant to your target audience, you're wasting your time and money and will likely not see success with any kind of advertising. The more relevant your ad image, ad copy, and destination page is to your audience, the higher your score is and the more favorably Facebook will treat your ads. It includes an enticing value proposition. A value proposition tells the reader why they should click on your ad to learn more about your product. How is your product or service different from any other? Why should the viewer click on your ad to see your website? Your value proposition should be believable. It has a clear call to action. A beautiful and relevant ad is great, but without a call to action, CTA, your viewer might not know what to do next. Add a CTA like buy now and save X%, or offer ends soon, and add a sense of urgency to your viewer. Your CTA should encourage people to click on your ad now. Google AdWords. Google AdWords is an advertising service by Google for businesses wanting to display ads on Google and its advertising network. The Google AdWords program enables businesses to set a budget for advertising and only pay when people click the ads. The ad service is largely focused on keywords. Businesses that use Google AdWords can create relevant ads using keywords that people who search the web using the Google search engine would use. The keyword contained in your ad, when searched for, triggers it to be shown. Google AdWords are the top ads that appear under the heading Sponsored Links found on the right-hand side or above Google search results. If your Google AdWords ad is clicked on, Google search users are then directed to your website. When using Google AdWords, keywords are also used to determine your cost of advertising. Each keyword you choose will have a cost per click, CPC, bid amount. The bids specify the maximum amount you're willing to pay each time someone clicks your ad, the maximum cost per click. A higher CPC bid can allow your ad to show at a higher position on the page. Tips to write effective Google AdWords. 1. Be specific. Don't write a generic ad copy for all your keywords. You should try to be as specific as possible, so that your ad can deliver the right message to your customers. 2. Highlight your unique value proposition, UVP. Your ad must highlight your value propositions. Your proposition must be something that your competitors either cannot, or do not offer. It must be unique and something that your customers can relate to and can benefit from. 3. Don't forget your keywords. When writing ad, make sure to include your main keywords in your ad headline and ad description so that they are automatically bolded when the searcher includes those keywords in his search query. Having your keyword in the ad also makes your ad more relevant, thus gives you a better click-through ratio, CTR, and a better quality score. 4. Include a call to action. Having a good call to action can increase your CTR and also increase your campaign's effectiveness. A searcher needs to know what's in it for him if he clicks on the advertisement. 5. Get right to the point. Avoid all the unnecessary words and include things that add value to your advertisement. 6. Ad formatting is important. Make sure your ad is formatted properly with, are social networking sites good for our society? Pros. Social networking sites spread information faster than any other media. Law enforcement uses social networking sites to catch and prosecute criminals. Social networking sites help students do better at school. Social networking sites allow people to improve their relationships and make new friends. Social media sites help employers find employees and job seekers find work. Being a part of a social networking site can increase a person's quality of life and reduce the risk of health problems. Corporations and small businesses use social media to benefit themselves and consumers. Social networking sites offer teachers a platform for collaboration with other teachers and communication with students outside the classroom. Social networking sites offer a way for musicians and artists to build audiences even if they don't have a corporate contract. Disadvantages. Social networking sites lack privacy and expose users to government and corporate intrusions. Social networking sites can lead to stress and offline relationship problems. Social networking sites entice people to waste time. Social media causes people to spend less time interacting face-to-face. Criminals use social media to commit and promote crimes. Social networking sites facilitate cyberbullying. Children may endanger themselves by not understanding the public and viral nature of social networking sites. Social networking enables cheating on school assignments. Social networking site users are vulnerable to security attacks such as hacking, identity theft, and viruses. Just remember to be careful and responsible before you sign up.